Alright, we're at Lumber Liquidators prospective property here in Austin, Texas. Right now we're looking at Highway 290. We're right next to a Grainger and a Fastenal. The space we're talking about here is roughly starting about right in this area. So we'll have to add a storefront. We've got about, say, 50 feet wide here. Either one of these openings can easily be turned into a storefront. Pretty good area, lots of road frontage. There's a lot of industrial buildings in this area, and I'm told that these businesses are doing pretty well. So there'll have to be a sidewalk poured. I would imagine we'll get some of this handicap parking here. Looks like Grainger's got 4 spots, and there's a couple right here in front of this storefront. What we've got is about 16-foot ceilings. This column here is 40 feet from the front of the building. So we can end up with about 40 by 50, about 2,000 square feet of showroom if we want to incorporate this column. It's fully sprinkled. The plumbing runs from this 40-foot column. We've got plumbing that runs straight through the building, so we could easily incorporate a bathroom back in this corner. Maybe one, maybe two, possibly. The water supply is overhead, very near the back of the showroom. There is no power brought into the building right now. We'll have to pull it from the end of the building from the gutter. So we'll have to bring in a full service. We've got 2 roll-up doors. They're 10 foot wide, 9 foot tall. It is ground level, no loading dock, so we will have to pour a little approach to both doors because it steps down about 8 inches. Alright, this is an exterior video. What we got again is Highway 291, runs east and west. Metropolis Road is about a quarter mile this way. And then if you head west, we got about 3 miles to Highway 35, which runs north and south right into downtown Austin. So this is the entrance for the rear of the building here. Circles around, big parking lot in the back. You can see all the industrial around. There's quite a few businesses on the south side of 291 here. There's 3 lumber yards that I know of within 3 miles of the area. Quite a bit of building supply areas around this part of town. This is where the electrical service is. We can add our meter, pull all our power in from here. There is no rooftop unit, no air conditioning right now, but gas lines come in at the far end of the building here. So you can see quite a parking space. Can't imagine Fastenal needing, or even Grainger for that matter, very much of it at all. This door here will not be part of our scope. We've got about 50 foot wide. Basically would start from the side of this door going over. So it's 120 deep, 50 wide. That's 6,000 square feet. Those are the 2 doors. You can see we'll have to pour the approaches or put in a steel ramp of some sort to get into the building. But the landlord said he could move these dumpsters. We can have this whole little space here for a ramp. Our own dumpster. Pretty clean space, clean palette, building's in great shape. That is it for property number 1.